I'm Patrick Steele with Forest River Work and Play. I'm here with a 25 QB. This is a quick minute. We're going to go over a couple quick aspects. This is the rear ramp door that we're going to go over right now. This is a fast ramp door through LCI. This is also a zero gravity, so it has very little resistance when you open and close it. You can see how easy of operation it is. It's a mechanized door. When you close it, it's going to power cinch at the top. There's no bar locks. There's nothing else that you have to hassle with. Easy key operation. The door is locked currently. I'm just going to pop it with the key. Lower it back down, nice and easy. Simple and sweet operation, easy for anybody to do.